Okay, let's see how to make the assembly problem. I have already created a part like this one. Oh, let me go to the problem. Okay, so the problem is the engineering drawing of the object is given, so I have to create all this part, which is turned part 1, to make this part 2, which is the housing, part 3 stud and the pin. So the problem says that the engineering drawing are given, then it's desired to make an assembly model following the description. The description is that the stud is inserted in the housing. What is the stud? This is the stud inserted into the housing. As you see here, this is 30, this is 52. So this 52 and this is 30 is get in here. So um, then the subassembly is mounted on the stand, which is this guy, and it is inserted onto this diameter 530. Okay. And to prevent the subassembly from coming out the stand, a pin is used to retain. Okay, so let's make the assembly. So first I'll open the parts that I created. I already created part 1. I see, and I did simulation 2. The stand is this. The stud is this. So I'll open it. Here is my stud. And I open all the one I have. The stud pin, just a cylindrical thing. Then housing. Okay. So I make a assembly, new assembly. Okay. Now everything is here, so the part 1, the fixed part, so I'll take that stand. It's fixed. Now I'll put insert the component, existing component, housing, just this guy. Okay, and I insert in the housing another component, which is the stud. Okay, stud here, but now I insert, control the surface, hold the middle mouse and control, rotate and select this surface, mate. Okay, that surface and this, so they are concentric. Okay, then I'll make this the bottom surface to this surface, they are aligned. Okay, so that's the first description. Then I'll select this surface and where is the mate? Simply mate and mate here, but it should be flip. Where is the flip? Flip is this. Okay, they are concentric. Okay, but I can drag this surface, so uh, actually this surface, this surface mate with, what is this, escape. So I'm gonna make mate. Previously I selected edit mate, that's why I get that one. So to this, okay, but I will flip it. Okay, okay, this one is okay, but this is not okay. So all that I do is nonsense. I get nonsense thing. So now I will edit. Okay, I go back here, select view, edit. So concentric is there. Next is housing and the stud. So I don't know which one is which. Okay, this is the stud. Okay, the stud concentric. This guy. Stud. Stud has so many. The face. I will just delete this. Coincident. Delete. Yes. Now can I move this? Yes. Okay. Delete anything about the stud. Delete again. Anything about the stud I will delete. Okay. Or I will now make mate with this concentric first. Now I'll mate this guy with this surface and then I'll flip it. Okay, now this is what I want. Okay. Yes. Now it's inside, okay? So that according to the description it is old. But I need to drill a hole for this guy. So the question is that there is a hole of 15 at the center. So top view, circle. What? Something is wrong with the (15/2) is the radius. Okay. Snap the center. Oh. That I need to change a plane. So I need a plane parallel to this. Okay. All that I do is top plane, feature, reference, through this. parallel. Yes, so I have to use that plane. Okay, so can I edit the sketch plane? Edit the plane and use, I can select because this is a parent-child relationship. Uh, so I have to repeat this. I can delete this crop and select this plane sketch. Normal to why? Select this plane perpendicular. Okay. Then circle center. I don't think it's centered, so I'll put by dimension 15. Okay, and dimension from here to here is 20. I think it's 40. All right. Yeah, that's 40. Okay. Then extrude cut. Extrude cut. I think my PC is very slow. Annoying. Extrude cut the other direction. Hide. Okay, that's our whole. Save. Okay. Now I have everything. It's updating. So let me put a sectional view at the center, right side top. So let's use the other one. Section. If we take that section, that's inclined. I want to pass through part 1. Okay, let's see. Top, right side, front. In the right, I make another plane, reference plane, that passes through. Through this. Okay. Fully defined. And cut. Okay. Now clearly you can see that there is some overlap here at the given dimension. Okay. So the pin, let's check now the dimensions. So you can just, from the given condition, I have this is 30 and this is 60, 70, the hole is 60, so 52 is this diameter, and the this is also 52, so there is a slight overlap here, so 52 here, so this is 18. From here to here is 18. So this 5 portion should go in. Okay, that's what we see here. It's getting in, but there is some offset, I think, that overlapped. Okay, let's see. Let's measure. Instant measure. Okay, this one. No, evaluate is a good. Evaluate, measure from here to here. It's supposed to be 60. Oh, 70, yes, that's correct. So measure here to here. Measure 30. Is that correct? Yeah. This is 52. It's 30. No. Yeah, that's 30. And the diameter is 52. So the 52 should get in. Inside this is 52. Okay, so then the pin, if the pin is out, then can be inserted here, but the pin can be also inserted from the top. So for our location, so all that I do is insert component pin. Okay, and then the pin diameter, I'll pick that, mate, and it can only get in here. Okay. Then the pin surface, I take this surface and assembly mate with this. Yeah, tangent, yes. So it's already on that surface. So all that I need to do this also concentric mate with this, right? It's already picked it, concentric. Okay, that's it. If the hole is coming out, I would have inserted here, but now there is a loose fit here. Okay, that's it. This is one assembly problem. Okay.